Is it real that you cannot modify your car at all in India and make your car much fun to drive? So let's hear it. So hey guys, welcome to Motorwings, and today we'll know if you can modify and what you can modify in your car. Since 2019, India has provoked the law that you cannot modify your car. It is illegal. So there are not all the modification are illegal. You can do some modification. So let's see here what you can modify and what you cannot. First one is the thing that touches the road, the tires. You can legally write and upgrade the tires, but in long you are following the company rule and regulation which are fitted to a tire. You cannot fit the funky ass looking big tires having wide rims and all those, but you can take the tires and choose from another compound like more stickier compound or more long lasting compound. You should properly see the tire before buying it. How is the rating of the tire? It is properly for high speeding. You should go with the stock tires or get the more higher speeding tires, and it would be having great. So modifying a tire is not that much of a modification, but it is the main part that is touching the ground. So you should get good tires which are approved by the company, that it is following its car's norms. Second main topic is the repainting. You are allowed to repaint your car and color for your choice, but it is necessary to get the paint modification approved by art. It should be showing and reflecting in your RC book that it is colored from white to red or your liking, but you can change the car however and should be approved by the RTO. Painting or repainting car is allowed in India. So repainting is allowed in India, but you should take some actions and get approved by RTO. It is also a exterior modification. It is called as body wrapping, which is much in hype in India. You can properly do a body paint job, but in contrast, the vinyl can be more effective and more cheap also. So it is allowed in India properly. You can do anything around 10,000 to 5 lakhs in a wrapping. So wrapping your car in any funky look is allowed in India, and you don't have to take the hassle to go and approve your paint color from RTO. Coming to the second modification, the modification of your suspension. You can get the best and the better suspension you think from any brand and you can install in your car. But lowering your car further down is not allowed in India. And how will you lower a Lamborghini to much more? You cannot drive it in India. So think. But you can increase the ride height of a sports car to ride it in your cities, and modification like installing anti-roll bar cages, reduce body roll which makes turns more easily and make it stable. So you can install roll bar cages and all type of suspension upgrades. Do a proper research of a suspension before buying it, because there are many cheap suspension and there are many good suspensions. So properly see what suspension is best suiting for your car, so you can upgrade your suspension in India. Our topic is window tinting. You cannot put a heavy tint on your window, which is banned in India since 2012. So like some cars like Banello and Maruti Suzuki and many all cars are coming in window UV tinted glasses. So it is not preferable that you may make your car black and fully black tinted windows. It is not legal in India, so you should not tint your windows in India. It is still permissible, and according to the Motorcycle Vehicle Acts of 1998, to use the tint let more than 80% of light through to be the safe side, and you should stay away from the dark sun films that do not comply with this. Third modification is for the differently abled modification, like acclimatizing the vehicle. Those who are differently abled, like own and self-reliant, and fitting adaptable mirrors, wheelchair lift, automatic and hand-operated clutch, acceleration and brake simulation control, and make the car much more suitable with your car. Coming to the main topic, is aftermarket exhaust legal in India? Put on your car. The aftermarket exhaust in India are illegal unless it is approved by RTO. This means that only those aftermarket exhausts that are sold by the automakers are authorized by India. So you can buy it and put it, but you should get the proper one. It should also be complying with the rules and regulation of the Motor Vehicle Act. Coming to the main topic, yes, not only loud exhaust, but anything you can change in your car is not equal to the stock setup is illegal unless it is approved by the RT. Some people like to upgrade to a loud horn, installing an additional headlamp, doing aggressive modifications which can change the dynamic of a car and colored headlamp, it is illegal in India and make you in trouble. So stay away from those modifications and do the right modification to your car. After this all, we can say you can do a lot of modifications to your car and still be bounded by the laws. Therefore, you can do a lot of car make, and as long as you are not turning your car to a Batmobile, and some modifications like changing your car into a helicopter. All joke aside, you can get a minor enhancement to transform your car and get it much more new looking, and as long as you are keeping in structure of the vehicle, not cutting the roof out and making it to a coupe or a convertible, not like that you are having a SUV and the next day it is turned into a pickup truck. So you have to do some modifications that are allowed in India, but it can hamper your car warranty or insurance. So to do proper research before upgrading your car, so go ahead and make your car more enjoyable, and don't forget to put stickers in your car. If you like this type of funny and informative videos, please don't forget to like this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please click the bell icon beside the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.